Have you ever wondered how to engage in daily English conversation? Understanding everyday English sentences is essential. They help us communicate effectively in various scenarios, be it at home, work, or while exploring the world. Stay tuned as we dive into some commonly used daily English sentences. So, what's a day filled with English conversation like? Well, let's dive in and explore together. Starting your day with a health-conscious friend, you might ask, "How's your fitness journey going?" And perhaps they'd reply, "I'm staying dedicated." A great follow-up could be, "Let's achieve our fitness goals." Now suppose you're chatting with a fellow podcast enthusiast. You could ask, "Did you discover any great podcasts?" And they might say, "Podcasts offer valuable insights." You could then suggest, "Let's share our favorite episodes." When it comes to discussing money matters, you could ask, "How's your financial management going?" Their response might be, "I'm saving and investing wisely." To keep the conversation going, you could propose, "Let's plan for financial success." Now, imagine you're catching up with a friend who's a lifelong learner. You could ask, "Did you learn something new today?" They might answer, "Continuous learning is essential." A great way to end this conversation could be, "Let's keep growing together." And there you have it, a handful of daily English sentences to help you communicate effectively. Well, we've covered quite a bit today, haven't we? We've delved into the significance of learning daily English sentences and examined a variety of scenarios where these phrases can shine. From fitness goals to financial planning, from culinary experiments to community involvement, these sentences help you navigate your everyday interactions with ease and confidence. They are the building blocks to mastering the English language. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and start using these sentences in your daily English conversations.